Here's the last part of the point slope form notes. Here's your subtitle. Use point slope form to write an equation. Example 3, you're provided with the graph, and go ahead on and draw this graph into your notes. Step 1, you're asked to find the slope of the line. Since you do have a line here that's provided, you can simply use the rise over run method to determine what the slope is. It doesn't matter which point you start with. Either point you can use the rise over run. So if we consider starting at this point here, we would go up 2, which means positive 2, and we will go over to the left 2, which is equivalent to negative 2. Simplify this and we get negative 1, which is the value of the slope that we have. Step 2, you're then going to write the point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times the difference of x and x sub 1. Step 3, you're going to use either point, either negative 1 and 3 or 1 and 1, to write an equation in point slope form. It doesn't matter which of these points you use, either one will produce a correct answer. And once you do plug in either point, you will receive an equation, the point slope form equation. Which point did I decide to use? Can you tell? If you said 1, negative 1, you are correct. Now it's your turn. Create an equation in point slope form using the below points. In this case, instead of receiving a graph, you have 2 points. Here's a hint for you. Since there's not a graph, you must use the slope formula. And here is our slope formula. Did you get y minus 3 equals a half times x minus 2? Or y minus 4 equals a half times x minus 4. For this one here, if you use 0.23, that should be your correct answer. If you used 0.44, this should be your answer.